Hi traders, good evening if you are in Asia, and good morning if you are in US. So we are now 12 minutes entering US sessions. So today is 7th of February 2019. We are now live trading for crude oil futures market, March 2019 contract. March 2019 contract. So in my local time now is 10:13 p.m. In Chicago time now is about 8:13 a.m. in the morning. So good morning to those in USA. So as you can see, I'm already queue by position somewhere here. This is my queue. Okay, I'm queuing at 53.63. This is 53.63. So on the buying position, let's say now the price start moving towards my buy queue stop limit order, which is at 53.63. So let's see whether this can be triggered. Yeah, now trigger. It's a good thing. So now we are on the open positions. It's a good thing. So let's wait and see. Hopefully the market can reach towards the upper position. So I'm still targeting for the price to break to the nearer side. So when it's break through this, I will take profit at somewhere at 53.94, which is somewhere here. Okay, so I will pause this video and we'll resume later on once it hit the TP area. Okay, after the entry, the price did drop a bit. It's not much. It's around 15 ticks downward movement. So we are now minus 16 ticks, so about $160 minus. So have to wait patiently for the price to do recovery, and I am sure that the market will go towards our direction. So let's put some indication. I think I should put a pivot for our indication. Let's take a look if there is any. Okay, pivot and close. Okay, so we are now around the mid level. So once it's passed through, then there's a high tendency for the market to reach this first resistance area. But we are not targeting for the whole price movement, only a bit. So I will exit around 54.00, maybe around this area, or maybe just before this nearer side. So that's what I'm expecting. So we are still maintaining minus 15 ticks. So let's wait and see for the next action. Okay. Okay, guys. Now we're still negative, about minus 10 ticks or minus 100 US dollar. So, but it looks clearly that the market looks some recovery on our direction, and perhaps this will create an opportunity for the bullish price movement. At this moment, we are around 53.52, about 10 ticks below my entry limit. So let's take a look on the volume. So there's a high volume queuing at 53.60, 53.62. And on the higher side, so far there's not much price action or price queue. So maybe later that we can see a much more clearer view. As for now, there's only two large queuing position at 53.60 and 53.62. So let's take a look on the bottom price level. So there's a high queue at 53.05. Could be later this will be a selling position. So let's wait and see. And also 53.00, this is a round number. So let's just take a look for another clue. Okay, there's not much to see. I think that's all for now. The volume we have been receiving. Okay, now 53.56, 53.57. So we are nearing to the my entry level. Now the candle turned blue. Looks quite okay at this moment. So the PNL at this moment is minus 6 ticks, which is minus 60. So things looks good. So hopefully the price will keep remain on the bullish side. So when it pass through the entry level, then I'm targeting to take profit around 25 ticks, so around 250 US dollar. So let's wait and see. Now the price try to kick in 53.57. It looks nice. Okay, it's quite good. You can see just now 53.75. There's a high volume here waiting. 97 just now is 100 plus. Okay, We pause this video and we'll resume later on. This will gonna take some time. Okay. Okay, the price still minus 5 tick, minus 4 ticks. Keep increasing. There's a large volume waiting here at 53.60. Okay, now you keep moving around this area. Okay, guys, the price has just touched the mid pivot level at 53.69. This horizontal blue line here. So it looks like it returned back down. Could be a pullback. Hopefully, the minor pullback. Then waiting for the next projection on the bullish side. So I have queue my profit area at 53.93, which is about 30 ticks from my entry position. And this is the order. Take profit at 53.93, which is at this yellow line. So let's wait and see. Hopefully I'm in the profit mode tonight. I'm still on the negative side at this moment, which is minus 12 ticks or minus 120 US dollar. So let's wait and see. This is gonna take maybe another 30 minutes or 45 minutes to reach the destination. So the stop loss will be somewhere here. So it will be the stop loss. Below this, I consider there will be downward movement, short sell. Okay, I think that's all. We'll keep this live trading open and we'll post next. Okay, it was unfortunate the market did hit stop loss, which is at this level. I consider the market already failed, and I will requeue back again at the same area at 53.63. So hopefully when the market try to reverse back, then you have opportunity to go for the bullish movement. Okay, still with the same TP area, which is at 53.93. Okay, as for now, there's losses. Losses around is it 22.62, around 390 if I'm not mistaken. So we'll continue again once the price get into the next buying opportunity. I'm still bullish on the market at this moment at the same price level here, 53.63. I will requeue back again. Alright, traders. So now we're entering for a short sell position. So as you can see that short sell at 53.12, which is somewhere here. So I'm expecting for a breakout to the downside. So there's a high tendency for the market might go to this direction or maybe in the mid area. But after all, I'm still expecting for the price to drop for about 20 or 25 ticks within this area. So let's wait and see. At this moment, we are on the negative side. So let's wait for the pullback to finish and hope for the price to go further on the short sell. Okay, meanwhile, still have to wait. We are still in the US session, so there's a more chance during this session compared to the others. Perhaps the market will go for a quick acceleration later on. So let's wait and see. At this moment, I'm short sell on the market and still waiting for a good outcome tonight. Hopefully, can close with positive PNL. Okay, guys. After 30 minutes, so the price tried to break through. So you can see. Let me clear some of this drawing and make it more larger. So we are 8 ticks from the entry point on short sell position. Okay, this looks much more clearer. So as you can see, the price tried to break through. This is a yellow triangle. This is my entry here. So now the price tried to make a move to the downside once it break this new low, it will create much more further thrust to the down side movement. So I'm expecting for the price to hit target at 52.77. That's my earlier target, which is somewhere here. So this is my profit target. Let me draw it nicely. Okay, the target will be somewhere here. Yeah, okay, so it should be around 30 plus ticks. So this one you can see, and then this one you can see the price try to break through. Looks good, because now I believe I'm already on the positive side, or almost positive side. Okay, now positive, plus 20 US dollar in profit. Oh, sorry, plus 100, 120. So the price keep dropping much more faster. So now 53.01 looks good. Then we are going towards 52.77. So let's wait and see. At this moment we are positive of 100. So this is gonna take some time. Maybe around 15 minutes should be a good indication that the market will go through to the downside. Okay, the market just hit my profit area. So total today 240 US dollar in profit. So as you can see here, so let me, okay guys, it was a good final PNL of 240 US dollar in profit tonight. So the market still moving to the downside. So as you can see, I have made my profit. I am entering here and take my profit here. So it's a quick 240 US dollar for tonight. So thank you for watching. I've put a description on my online trading signal, and also if you are interested to learn this setup, so you can learn on the link below. I've put in the description box. So take a look. Maybe you can try to learn something from me. Okay, thank you guys. Bye bye.